Evening or good morning, guys. In this video I will show you the correct way how to fix and solve this problem on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So now and first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this go directly to apps or applications. Here, as you see, we'll find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search now only for YouTube, and when you have found YouTube, just open it like this and then go to storage option, click on clear data, click OK, also clear cache, also now go to first stop and click OK. And now the last things you have now to restart your phone and then go to YouTube, and you will find that all your problem be solved on your YouTube. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.